In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram message request not showing. So first thing you need to do is head over to your Instagram profile, click at the top right, scroll down and click on message and story replies. And then here you want to click on message controls. Make sure that you toggle to everyone here, and make sure it's not toggled to no one, because this way it won't allow messages. So make sure it's all switched to everyone. After you do this, check if your issue has been fixed. If not, then leave Instagram, go to Play Store and make sure you update Instagram. Simply updating it could fix your issue. If this doesn't fix your issue, what you can do is click and hold on Instagram and try uninstall and reinstalling it, and hopefully this should fix your issue. And that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.